Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share my top natural hacks for getting those long, thick, and stunning lashes you've always dreamed of. No need for expensive serums or falsies here, just a few simple, natural tips that you can start using today. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the power of castor oil. This little wonder has been a beauty secret for ages. Rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, castor oil nourishes and stimulates lash growth. Just apply a small amount to your lashes before bed with a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab. Do this every night and you'll start to see results in a few weeks. Trust me, consistency is key here. Next, let's not forget about the mighty aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just great for your skin, it's also amazing for your lashes. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which help promote growth and strength. Just take some fresh aloe vera gel and apply it to your lashes. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. You'll notice your lashes looking healthier and thicker in no time. Now let's move on to green tea. Yep, you heard that right. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that boost lash growth. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then use a cotton ball to apply it to your lashes. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Do this a couple of times a week, and your lashes will thank you. Another fantastic hack is to give your lashes a gentle massage. Just like your scalp benefits from a good massage, so do your lashes. Use your fingertips to gently massage your eyelids and lash line. This increases blood flow and stimulates the hair follicles, promoting growth. Plus, it's super relaxing. Let's also talk about the importance of a healthy diet. What you eat plays a huge role in the health of your hair, including your lashes. Make sure you're getting enough protein, vitamins, and minerals. Foods rich in biotin, like eggs, nuts, and avocados, are particularly great for promoting lash growth. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember your lashes too. Finally, be gentle with your lashes. Avoid rubbing your eyes and always remove your makeup before bed. Use a gentle makeup remover and be careful not to tug or pull on your lashes. Treat them with care, and they'll grow long and thick naturally. So there you have it, my top natural hacks for stunning lashes. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Give these tips a try, and in a few weeks you'll be batting those beautiful long lashes with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you next time!